This is a text from Stages 8, Highlights. A new nation is born. The first Americans. The first Americans were hunters from Asia. They followed reindeer, mammoths, and other animals into the area that is now Alaska. After thousands of years, there were hundreds of different Native American tribes across North and South America. Each tribe had its own language and culture. So, when people from Europe discovered America, there were already millions of people there. Christopher Columbus arrived in the New World in 1492. The Vikings. The Viking Leif Erikson came to what is now Canada around 1000 AD. The Vikings did not settle, but returned home. Christopher Columbus. In 1492, Christopher Columbus left Spain and sailed west to find a shorter way to India. Instead, he landed in the Bahamas Islands in the Caribbean. Columbus claimed the land belonged to Spain, and when he returned to Europe, he brought many natives back with him as slaves. When they heard that Columbus had discovered new land and riches, many other Europeans wanted a part of this. Thousands of settlers came and new colonies were established. Spain had colonies in the Caribbean, Mexico, Central and South America. Britain and France had colonies in North America. More and more people came because they wanted a better life and more freedom. The British. In the 1700s, Britain had 13 colonies in the east coast of North America. The colonists got tired of paying taxes to the British king. In 1773, they stormed an English ship full of tea in Boston and threw all the tea overboard. This is called the Boston Tea Party. The USA was born. Soon war broke out between the colonists and Britain. The colonists won the Revolutionary War, and on July the 4th, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed. The United States of America was born.